First reading, Isaiah chapter 58 verse 9 to 14. Then you will cry for help and Yahweh will answer, you will call and he will say, I am here. If you do away with the yoke, the clenched fist and malicious words, if you deprive yourself for the hungry and satisfy the needs of the afflicted, your light will rise in the darkness, and your darkest hour will be like noon. Yahweh will always guide you, will satisfy your needs in the scorched land, he will give strength to your bones, and you will be like a watered garden. Like a flowing spring whose waters never run dry, your ancient ruins will be rebuilt, you will build on age-old foundations. You will be called breach mender, restorer of streets to be lived in. If you refrain from breaking the Sabbath, from taking your own pleasure on my holy day, if you call the Sabbath delightful, and the day sacred to Yahweh honorable, if you honor it by abstaining from travel, from seeking your own pleasure and from too much talk, then you will find true happiness in Yahweh. And I shall lead you in triumph over the heights of the land. I shall feed you on the heritage of your father Jacob, for the mouth of Yahweh has spoken. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 86 verse 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6. Prayer of David, listen to me, Yahweh, answer me, for I am poor and needy, guard me, for I am faithful, save your servant who relies on you. You are my God, take pity on me, Lord, for to you I cry all the day. Fill your servant's heart with joy, Lord, for to you I raise up my heart. Lord, you are kind and forgiving, rich in faithful love for all who call upon you. Yahweh, hear my prayer, listen to the sound of my pleading. Gospel, Luke chapter 5 verse 27 to 32. When he went out after this, he noticed a tax collector, Levi by name, sitting at the tax office, and said to him, Follow me. And leaving everything Levi got up and followed him. In his honor Levi held a great reception in his house, and with them at table was a large gathering of tax collectors and others. The Pharisees and their scribes complained to his disciples and said, Why do you eat and drink with tax collectors and sinners? Jesus said to them in reply, It is not those that are well who need the doctor, but the sick. I have come to call not the upright but sinners to repentance.